Have you noticed how in a world of hoodies and sneakers, more and more young men are going for tailored suits? The same generation, raised on athleisure, is now investing in dress shirts, ties, and leather shoes. Why? Because suits offer something we have lost. Something we crave but haven't been taught by the generations before us. When older generations abandoned elegance for comfort and even rebellious motives, young men began searching for something better. Something that enhances their appearance and stands strong against fleeting trends. So what exactly happened to men's fashion and why are suits making such a powerful comeback? Let's talk about the problem with today's menswear. How did modern fashion get so lazy? Modern fashion is dictated by fast fashion companies that strongly promote cheap, trend-driven and disposable items. This creates a cycle that never seems to end, and unfortunately it's designed to keep us spending. Think about it. Most of what you see in stores today is mass-produced, featuring synthetic materials of low quality that wear out after just one season. Does that really represent value or style? Furthermore, these fleeting trends encourage passivity. There's no thought going into proper outfit coordination if all you have to combine is jeans with a t-shirt or hoodie. A suit outfit offers a lot of room for thoughtful effort and genuine individuality. We'll get back to that point later. We are told we're expressing ourselves by wearing the same generic, mass-produced streetwear as everyone else. But in reality, we've lost control of our own style. There's no guidance, no rules that show you what real elegance is. We are just a herd following the latest trend. How sure can you be that a sneaker like this will still be worn in 20 years ahead? An Oxford dress shoe, for example, has been the #1 choice for suits for many decades, and surely it will maintain its position in the decades to come. Yes, casual wear promotes comfort and convenience. You will fit in and won't stand out, ensuring you a safe haven. But taken to the extreme, it leads to sloppiness and thoughtlessness. In recent decades, formality has been mocked, effort is ridiculed, and true style is labeled as being arrogant or outdressing others. Aren't we actually realizing that there might be a problem with having no guidelines on how to dress well? A world without fashion rules and ever-changing fashion trends leave men lost. It seems that everything is allowed, but nothing is really taught. Without guidelines, the clueless man drowns in a sea of endless choices. But too many options aren't as beneficial as they seem. Aesthetic mastery doesn't come from chaos. It comes from structure and real understanding. Classic menswear isn't about rigid rules. It gives you a timeless framework to build your own aesthetic. Once you learn about and understand formality, fit, and coordination, everything starts to make sense. You gain the ability to adapt and evolve your style on your own terms. Young men are waking up. They are done with lazy dressing. They want to take control and create their own standard. The last thing they want is to be dictated by disposable trends. Let's explore why suits, in particular, are more relevant to young men than ever before. Did you know the suit was originally considered casual attire? Even today, it allows you to express your personality through color, texture, and pattern coordination. Accessories like ties and pocket squares open up endless possibilities for creativity and expression. That's what a complete casual outfit can't give you. In my case, I have fairly light hair and a light skin. That allows me to wear lighter colors without blushing me out. As for accessories, I like to play with all kinds of tones, from light to dark. I'm a slim but fit person, so a slightly structured jacket highlights and enhances my shoulder and back area. This way, my strong areas are accentuated and the male silhouette is emphasized. Many modern men have assumed suits are stiff, uncomfortable, and impractical. However, that's completely false. A well-tailored suit isn't restrictive. It enhances movement, accentuates the male silhouette, and highlights your best proportions. On the contrary to what most people think, its seasonal adaptability makes it perfect for any weather. You can choose breathable, airy fabrics like linen or lightweight wool for summer and heavier fabrics like tweed or flannel for winter. Moreover, a well-fitted suit makes you stand taller, feel sharper, and enhances your confidence. Have you ever noticed how different you feel when you put on a suit that fits you perfectly? Ever since I got to wear clothes that are tailored for my body, I started feeling sloppish in my fast fashion clothes. I realized that they lack that elegance and sharpness that tailored clothes offer. I strongly believe that a suit is not a relic at all. It's a timeless tool to make you look and feel your best. So, what's our next step to escape the endless cycle of fast fashion? Since fast fashion can't provide us young men with what we are looking for, we have to make decisions for ourselves. The most important idea is to invest in less but better. A well-made suit will last you decades, not seasons. Even in 20 years, with great care, you will still be able to enjoy your garments and wear them with pride. Another important aspect is to keep the proportions of your clothes balanced. The trends of baggy or skinny outfits come and go. We can't trust current trends. Therefore, we must look for the perfect fit for our body. Then we can be sure that our clothes will still be wearable no matter what trend prevails. Also, it's advisable to learn the rules of classic menswear. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can learn the fundamental rules, understand them, and get a feeling for when to bend them slightly. By acquiring good knowledge and staying flexible, real style and taste evolve. It goes without saying that casual attire has its place in a man's wardrobe. It offers many benefits to a stylish man. However, by dressing casually with intent and elegance, choosing the proper fit and high quality, you will definitely set yourself apart from the average person. Why do young men love suits again? The reason is simple. Suits are a way to actively engage in how you present yourself, to cherish human craftsmanship, quality, and to discover your own journey of taste and refinement. If you're inspired to explore classic menswear, remember, it's not about following trends, it's about creating your own timeless style.